Termites cause billions of dollars in damage every year in the US. And chances are, if your house is made of wood, termites could make your home their next meal. And once they're inside, it could cost you thousands of dollars. So let's take a look at some termite control and prevention tips so that you can do it yourself. The first step to every pest treatment is to properly identify the pests you're dealing with. There are many stages of termites, but the most commonly seen is the reproductive stage, called swarmers. Swarmers are very similar in appearance to flying ants. There's two easy ways to tell the difference. One, termites don't have a pinched waist like ants. And two, the wings on flying ants are only a little longer than their body, but swarmer termites have wings that are twice as long as their body. So it's pretty easy to see, even from a distance. So if you see swarmer termites, or even their wings, there's a good chance there's termites nearby. And if you found even a couple inside, you may already have an infestation. If your house has a basement or crawl space, you'll want to start your inspection there. Use a bright flashlight and look for damaged wood or dirt tunnels. These dirt tunnels, or mud tubes, are tunnels that termites build to travel from the soil to their wood food source. And you'll often see them on concrete foundation. Use a screwdriver to probe where termites may be feeding. Gently push the screwdriver into wooden areas like wooden decks and porches, windowsills, and any other wood that meets the foundation. This will help expose termite tunnels and reveal that you have an infestation. Let's move on to treatment. For active infestations, dig a trench around the perimeter of the foundation, about 6 inches deep. Then get a 5-gallon bucket and mix up a non-repellent termiticide. We've got plenty of professional grade options that you can order directly from our website. Slowly pour the mixture into the trench. You should use 4 gallons for every 10 linear feet. Then just mix the dirt back into the trench so it's completely covered. This will create a barrier to protect your home from termites. Trenching will address many, but not all termite entry points. Additional treatment techniques may be required depending on the foundation of your home. You should always consult with a professional just in case. Advance Termite Bait Stations are one of the most effective tools for termite prevention and control. Install the bait stations every 10 to 15 feet around the perimeter of your home. These bait stations will not be effective if termites are already inside your home, but with proper monitoring, they will prevent future termites from entering. Each station has a wood monitor base and an inspection cartridge. If termites are nearby, they'll be attracted to the wood base and work their way up to the inspection cartridge. Inspect the inside of every bait station every 2 to 3 months. If you found termite activity, replace the inspection cartridge with the active Trelona bait. These Trelona bait cartridges contain enough bait to kill 2 to 8 times the average colony size. Once the Trelona bait is inside the station, the termites will continue to eat and take it back to their colony. Check back on the station in 90 days. If you're no longer seeing termite activity, just dispose of the bait cartridge and replace it with a fresh inspection cartridge. Termites need wood and moisture to survive, so it's important to eliminate any standing water near your home and fix any leaky pipes or leaky air conditioning units. Clean out gutters so they're draining properly. Maintain your yard and trim bushes. Make sure you don't have any firewood stacked against your house. Replace any rotted wood on sheds and fences near the home. Now you know the proper steps to take to protect your home from termites. For more information on termites or any other DIY pest control, just give us a call or visit our website at DIYpestcontrol.com. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and if you like this one, give it a thumbs up.